Wiener AI pre-sale is over. Here's what you need to do next. Get ready, as this pre-sale is going to go absolutely crazy. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Wiener AI, part dog, part sausage, part AI trading bot. We've talked about Wiener AI a lot on this channel in the past, and now that the pre-sales ended, we had to come and make an update. So pre-sales ended by a launch pre-sale price before listing, and in 4 days and 22 hours, looks like the listing will be complete. They've raised over $9 million, and this is literally your last chance to buy. You buy at launch price before it gets listed, and Wiener AI has some crazy plans to pump this project to the moon. Before we go into the video, guys, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, and like always, none of this is financial advice, and let me know in the comment section below, did you load up on Wiener AI, or are you gonna take this opportunity to load up before it goes live? Because here's the thing, guys, it's going live, potentially having a massive centralized exchange listing hand in hand. We're anticipating it's gonna launch, it's gonna have a post-launch pump, the central exchange pump, and it's gonna go absolutely ballistic. So stay tuned for more details. So going over to the official Twitter account, guys, which has over 16,000 followers, we see more than just a bot. Wiener AI is your ultimate trading companion. We're delighted to have a sneak peek at our incredible supportive community, and looks like they're gonna have a trader smart bot, which is looking very, very cool. The community is getting very excited. The regular pre-sale phase has ended. Get ready. Token claims and trading kick off on Monday, August 5th. We are partnered with a top tier exchange for the launch, so this is gonna be absolutely bullish. As we prepare for the launch, those who missed at the discounted pre-sale can still buy at listing price. So even though you're not gonna get out of the pre-sale price, you can still get in the listing price before it does go live. Full power, less than 24 hours until the end of the pre-sale, and the end of the pre-sale is already here, and the project is going to go live in 4 days. Now, guys, we've been talking about this project very highly for a bunch of reasons. Not only is this a dog themed meme coin, but we can see it grow rapidly on social media, feature on a ton of different exchanges and blogs all over the internet. What is Wiener AI? Despite its sausage exterior, Wiener AI is a pinnacle of AI trading technology with girthy predictive features. Wiener AI is a trader's best friend. So it has AI enhanced trading, seamless sausage swap, zero fees, and MEV protection. So basically, guys, this project went from taking a meme coin, adding a whole ton of utility, having a solid pre-sale, raising over $9 million, to now launching. The thing is, this project can go out and do some fantastic things in the market, as it's doing a couple things different than the mix. You know, it has a unique utility with the AI and also the trading bot services. AI has been a buzzword this whole year now, so pairing crypto and AI already is a strong combo, but now we add a trader's best friend, and you take it with the man's best friend, which is a dog. It's a beautiful package that goes all together, and we're anticipating this is going to go absolutely crazy once launched. Outsmart the market with Wiener AI's predictive technology. Wiener AI's predictive technology combines its user-friendly AI interface, allows you to instantly score cryptos markets for those hidden gems. Ask Wiener AI to find you the next trade, and it delivers the market analysis to help you win more often. The seamless swap MEV protection through decentralized exchanges. That's absolutely awesome. Talking about community as well, guys, it has over 13,000 subscribers on Telegram as well. So again, this is going to go absolutely ballistic when it does go live. You take that with the new announcement that they made, that they have teamed up with a top tier exchange for the launch. This is going to go absolutely ballistic. We see tokenomics, 30% to pre-sale, 20% to staking, 20% to community rewards, 10% to DEX/centralized exchange liquidity, and 20% to marketing. They have a solid roadmap in place as well, guys, and a how to buy tab. This project is going to the moon. So pre-sales officially ended, and in 4 days it's going to be listed live. This is your last chance to buy in at listing prices. So if you already missed out at the pre-sale prices, now is your time to strike to load up at least at listing prices, so you can secure some gains. And when it does go live, we're sure to make another reminder video. That wraps the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you're loading up on Wiener AI in the comment section below, or if you already have. But like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.